Hello friend, welcome back to Innosol Petrochem India. Today we are running this clay-free oil polishing unit in Gujarat. This is 40 column reactors machine to remove the smell and color of distilled oil. This customer earlier using the clay incumbent, you can see the clay process and everything. Now he switched from clay process to this clay-free oil polishing unit. The purpose of this clay-free oil polishing unit to remove the smell 100% and make your oil as good as virgin oil. So friend, you know what Innosol Petrochem India is? We are the leading manufacturer of the catalyst which is used inside this reactor. We have the capability to design or customize the machine. You know, this customer is having the space limitation and he requested that this customer requested me to design the machine based on the space available. We designed this machine, the space available, and now this machine is completely running. We are going to show you what we are feeding and what is coming out. Please draw the sample so that we can show to the customer what we are feeding and what is coming out. Friend, we are feeding today around 3.5 to 4 ASTM color, having a burning smell. This oil came from distillation, WFE, and now this is the oil we are feeding. Thank you. This is the oil we are feeding today is around 3.5 ASTM. And yesterday when we fed 6.5, a darker, which I will show you. And now let me show you what is coming out from this clay-free oil polishing unit. You will be very happy seeing the result, my dear friend. Let me show you what is coming out. So this is the final product tank. There the oil which is coming in. Now let me show you the oil coming out. We can draw. Let me draw the sample from here. This is the oil coming out, friend. You can see it's almost water white, having no smell. This is what coming out. You can see water white, no smell. This is the final product tank. Let me show you. This is the final product tank. There the oil is coming. We are storing, and from there it will go to the final product. So this is, friend, our clay-free oil polishing unit. Let me show you the average color. So friend, let me conclude this video by saying, if you are still not using this clay-free oil polishing unit, friend, then this is the right time. Just think about it. Let me show you what we are feeding. So this is what we are feeding right now, and this is what coming out. But it is water white, but we say we give you average color of 1.5 ASTM, no smell. Even I was talking about yesterday's oil. This was the oil, little darker oil, around 6.5 color. And there the average color, the final product, average color was around 1.5, no smell. So friends, we always say, just think about this technology. This is clay-free oil polishing unit. Even if you are the trader or recycler, this technology is suitable for everyone. Even if you are buying the oil from somebody, getting smell, no consistent quality, this machine makes your final product consistent. So friend, if you want to opt or think about this oil polishing unit, then contact us. We'll be happy hearing back from you. Thank you very much.